Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file so the draw action is reliable. Open Design Space and set your canvas to match the material size. This prevents alignment errors. Next, select the layer and change line type to draw, then pick the pen brand and tip size. This sets pressure and line thickness. Once done, attach the drawn layers to the base shape so elements stay fixed. Make sure to choose the correct machine and mat to avoid size or registration shifts. Now load the pen into clamp and lower the clamp lever so the pen is held firmly. This ensures consistent contact. In machine settings, choose the material type. If lines appear faint, use custom pressure or fast mode for lighter strokes. Once loaded, send a quick test draw on scrap material to confirm line weight and registration. This saves precious materials. If the test looks off, adjust the pen tip or pressure before committing to the final run, because small tweaks make big differences. To finish, unload the mat slowly and lift the material carefully to avoid smudging the ink. Let ink dry when needed. If lines skip or break, check the pen tip for damage, ensure clampa is fully down, and listen for unusual motor noise. Replacing the pen or reseating it often fixes skips. For alignment issues, recalibrate the machine, reattach your drawn layers in Design Space, and run a final test. If problems persist, swap pens to rule out ink flow.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.